Now come to question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Say first part, it is minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, minus 12 upon 20, and so on. I take first part, minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, minus 12 upon 20, and so on. Here first rational number is minus 3 upon 5. Now second rational number is obtained by multiplying minus 3 upon 5 by 2. Third is obtained by multiplying it by 3. Fourth rational number is obtained by multiplying minus 3 upon 5 by 4. Next, we can obtain by multiplying by 5, 6, 7 and 8, so on. So, take minus 3 upon 5, multiply it by 5, both in numerator and denominator. We will get minus 15 upon 25. Again take minus 3 upon 5, multiply it by 6, both numerator and denominator. We will get minus 18. We will get minus 18 upon 30. Again take minus 3 upon 5, multiply numerator and denominator by 7. We will get minus 21 upon 35. Again take minus 3 upon 5, multiply it by 8, both in numerator and denominator. You will get minus 24 upon 40. Therefore, next 4 rational numbers are minus 15 upon 25, minus 18 upon 30, minus 21 upon 35, minus 24 upon 40. This is your answer. Now come to the second part. It is minus 1 upon 4, comma minus 2 upon 8, comma minus 3 upon 12, and so on. This is second part. Minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 12, and so on. Say first rational number. It is minus 1 upon 4, Second rational number is obtained by multiplying first rational number by 2. Third rational number is obtained by multiplying first rational number by 3. The remaining rational numbers can be obtained by multiplying first rational number by 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So let us multiply minus 1 upon 4 by 4 both in numerator and denominator. We will get minus 4 upon 16, again minus 1 upon 4, multiply numerator and denominator by 5, we will get minus 5 upon 20, again take first rational number minus 1 upon 4, multiply numerator and denominator by 6, we will get minus 6 upon 24, again take minus 1 upon 4, multiply numerator and denominator by 7, we will get minus 7 upon 28. Therefore, next four rational numbers are minus 4 upon 16, minus 5 upon 20, minus 6 upon 24, minus 7 upon 28. This is your answer. Now come to the third part. It is minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon minus 12, 3 upon minus 18, 4 upon minus 24, and so on. See here, what is your first rational number? It is minus 1 upon 6. Here multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. What will you get? 1 upon minus 6. Here second rational number is obtained by multiplying 1 upon minus 6 by 2. Third rational number 3 upon minus 18 is obtained by multiplying 1 upon minus 6 by 3. And 4 upon minus 24 is obtained by multiplying 1 upon minus 6 by 4. The next four rational numbers can be obtained by multiplying 1 upon minus 6 by 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let us multiply. The 1 upon minus 6 into 5 upon minus 5, 5 into 5, you will get 5 upon minus 30. Again take 1 upon minus 6, multiply numerator and denominator by 6, we will get 6 upon minus 36. Again take 1 upon minus 6, multiply it by 7, we will get 7 upon minus 42. Again take 1 upon minus 6, multiply it by 8 both in numerator and denominator, we will get 8 upon minus 48. Therefore, next four rational numbers are 5 upon minus 30, 6 upon minus 36, 7 upon minus 42, 8 upon minus 48. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. It is 2 upon 3. It is minus 2 upon 3. Minus 2 upon 3. 2 upon minus 3. 4 upon minus 6. 6 upon minus 9. And so on. Here same minus 2 upon 3 and 2 upon minus 3 both are same, because if we multiply minus 2 upon 3 by minus 1 both in numerator and denominator, we will get 2 upon minus 3. We can take rational number, first rational number as 2 upon minus 3. Now third rational number can be obtained by multiplying 2 upon minus 3 by 2, and fourth rational number, that is 6 upon minus 9, is obtained by multiplying 2 upon minus 3 by 3. The next four rational numbers can be obtained by multiplying 2 upon minus 3 by 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let us multiply. So by 4 upon into 4. Multiply 2 upon minus 3 by 4 both in numerator and denominator. You will get 8 upon minus 12. Again take 2 upon minus 3. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. You will get 10 upon minus 15. Again take 2 upon minus 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 6. You will get 12 upon 18 minus 18. Again take 2 upon minus 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by 7. You will get 14 upon minus 21. Therefore, next four rational numbers are 8 upon minus 12, 10 upon minus 15, 12 upon minus 18, 14 upon minus 21. This is your answer.